cucaracha. La cucaracha. I got this vial, I'm going to spill it in this water, la la la. Hey, what's that? Virgil, an alligator!
Where?
Acha.
Gordon, we've got to find that vial.
I think I saw it. I'm swimming like a little fish in the sea. I'm swimming very slowly. I'm swimming like a little fish in the sea. I'm swimming very slowly. La 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 la, I'm swimming.
Do you see anything? With all this greenery around, it's hard to...
Wait, there it is. I don't think we're gonna have any more problems with giant alligators around here. It didn't even get scratched.
You boys certainly did a great job. There are no more alligators out there in the water. You guys are dynamite.
Oh yeah.